Dear students, now we are on the topic of maxima and minima. Until yesterday, we discussed in level 3. Yesterday, I said 4 questions only in level 3. Now, let us discuss from 5th question onwards. Maxima, minima, level 3 concept. 5th question. The least value of x plus 100 whole square, x plus 100 whole square plus x plus 99 whole square plus x plus 98 whole square plus so on x square plus so on. Let us write here x plus 1 whole square later x square. It is a group of term x plus 100 whole square plus x plus 99 whole square like that, and x plus 1 whole square. Let us take this one as a group plus x square plus next group I am writing here x minus 1 whole square. So terms are reducing. X minus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square, so on x minus 100 whole square. You should calculate the least value of these numbers. This is the IMP for M set. To calculate the function, whether it is minimum or maximum, we know that f dash x is equal to 0. Let us write here f dash x is equal to 0. The derivative, this is of the form x square like that. X square derivative 2x, so you can write 2 into x plus 100 here. X plus 99 plus x plus 98. Plus so on, at last x plus 1. This is a group, plus this is the next. Total 2 you can take common. Plus x minus 1, plus x minus 2, plus so on, x minus 100 is equal to 0. Divide with 2, that implies, you can understand here, these are 100 terms. From 100 to 100 terms. These are 100 terms from 1 to 100. So 100 plus 100 200 terms, and this is separate x. So 201 x's are there. 201 x plus you can try to understand that this is a sigma 100. 100 plus 19 plus 98 plus so on. These are the first n natural numbers. Sigma 100, and this is minus sigma 100 equal to 0. Sigma and sigma 100 get cancelled. 201 x is equal to 0. Then you may get the value x is equal to 0. Without calculating this one also, directly you can put using the shortcut x is equal to 0, because for any square, every square is greater than or equal to 0. The minimum value of the square is always 0. You can put directly x is equal to 0. So this is procedure, that is shortcut. Now let us discuss about the value, least value and rating. Least value. If we put x is equal to 0, then only it becomes least value is equal to 100 square plus 99 square plus like that. So you can write here sigma 100 square. Sigma 100 square plus this is 0, don't write, and this is sigma 100 square. Sigma 100 square. We know that student sigma n square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here you can write 100 into 101 into 201 by 6. 100 into 101 into 201 by 6. And here 100 into 101 into 201 by 6. 100 into 101. Here 2 table 3 times. Here 2 table 50 times. 3 table 67 times. Here 2 table 3 times, 2 table 50 times and 3 table 67 times. 50 into 101 into 67 plus 50 into 101 into 67. If we take common the letter, the number 101 into 67, we make it the answer 50 plus 50 equal to 100. So 67, 676 double 0. 67, 67. 67, 67 double 0 is the answer. Completed fifth question. Now let us discuss about sixth question. Before discussing the sixth question, let us know the concept of first derivative test for min or max. Concept of first derivative test and waiting. Concept of first derivative test. Students, you can observe in our material using page 172, you can understand the concept. Using page 172, open page 172 and see the concept of first derivative test. Yet x is equal to, I am writing first point here, if x is equal to, at x is equal to a, I am writing, if x is equal to a, let h greater than 0, that is a small positive integer. H is a small positive real number, not integer. H is a small positive real number. Then let us consider about the function f of x, whether it is min or max at the point a minus h comma a plus h. I am discussing about the left neighborhood of a and right neighborhood of a. Those are a minus h comma a plus h. So here I am writing f dash x greater than 0. F dash x greater than 0 if x belongs to a minus h comma a, and f dash x less than 0 if x belongs to a comma a plus h. That is, that meaning, what is this x is equal to a star? F dash x is equal to 0 yet x is equal to a. F dash x is equal to 0 yet x is equal to a. So, yet x is equal to a, we said that f of x has local maximum. Local maximum. F of x has local maximum. Yet, whenever f dash x is equal to 0 means here f dash of a is equal to 0. This is f dash of a is equal to 0. Next step, if f dash x greater than 0, x belongs to a minus h, it means this is positive and this is negative. So the value is changing the sign from positive to negative. Here we should write this one as f dash x changes. F dash x changes. F dash x changes a sign from positive to negative. Sign from. F dash x changes sign from positive to negative. Next, let us discuss about second point. Here I am discussing about local maximum. Whenever the derivative f dash x changes a sign from positive to negative, it means with neighborhood, left neighborhood to right neighborhood, if it is changing positive to negative, positive to negative, if it changes, it is local maximum. Next, in the same concept, in the same page, you can see here, f of x is decreasing. Here, f dash, so the value, if the value changes f dash x negative, simply I am writing f dash x changes the sign from negative to positive. F dash x changes the sign from negative to positive. It can said to be local minimum. F dash x changes the sign. F dash x changes sign from negative to positive. Negative to positive. Therefore, f of x is local minimum. Here what is the negative to positive, sir? Between x belongs to a minus h comma a and x belongs to a comma a plus h. So here this value should be positive. Here positive to negative becomes maximum. This value should be negative in this case and this value should be positive in this case. If the value changes from left to right here, meaning left to right. If the value changes left to right, negative to positive, it becomes local minimum, and if the value changes from positive to negative, it becomes local maximum. Depends upon this concept, we are having the sum, level 3, 6th question. Level 3, 6 and 8 also. So no need to calculate here second derivative. If we calculate second derivative test, if you get the value second derivative is 0, then we will go for first derivative. Let us discuss about 6th question. 6th question. F of x is equal to x minus 3 whole power 5 into x plus 1 whole power 4. Then what is the value? According to options we should discuss now. To find the min or max f dash x is equal to 0, first of all we will write f dash x. F dash x. F dash x is equal to. Now we can write here the derivative using uv method, uv dash plus vu dash. Now I am writing x minus 3 whole power 5 into 4 into x plus 1 whole cube plus this is uv dash completed. Now I am discussing about vu dash. X plus 1 whole power 4 into 5 into x minus 3 whole power 4 is equal to 0. We can take common here x plus 1 whole cube. X plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 4. X plus 1 whole cube common, taken common here and here also. X minus 3 whole power 4 taken common here and here also. So you can write here 4 into x minus 3 here. 4 into x minus 3 plus 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is square bracket is equal to 0. That implies next step I am writing as x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 4 here. 4x minus 12 plus 5x plus 5. 4x minus 12, 4x plus 5x becomes 9x. Minus 12 plus 5 you can write minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, here I am writing critical points. Critical points or stationary points are minus 1 comma 3 comma 7 by 9. Minus 1 comma 3 comma 7 by 9. Let us discuss about f double dash x also. So using this one uv dash uv w method we should do. F double dash x. F double dash x is u dash v w plus uv dash w plus uv w dash, you can write. Here I am writing 3 into x plus 1 whole square. 3 into x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole power 4 into 9x minus 7 plus next one. X plus 1 whole cube leave like that. 4 into x minus 3 whole cube into 9x minus 7. 9x minus 7 plus uv dash w completed. Now uv w dash. X plus 1 whole cube. X plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 4 into this is 9. If you put the value here, if you put the value minus 1 here you substitute, it becomes 0, here it is 0, this is also 0, okay. So f double dash x is equal to 0. Next, if you put the value 3, here 3 it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 0. So don't substitute the value minus 1 and 3. Next, if we substitute the value 7 by 9, this is 0, this is 0. Okay. Now, let us discuss about f double dash of 7 by 9. F double dash of 7 by 9 becomes, here you substitute 7 by 9 plus 1. 7 by 9 plus 1 whole cube into 7 by 9 minus 3 whole power 4 into 9. the value, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive. So f double dash 7 by 9 greater than 0 we got. So we can say that f of x is, we can say that f of x is local minimum. 7 by 3, next ub double dash, we have completed. 7 by 9, this is positive. 7 minus 9 is 27, anyhow power 4 it is positive. Local minimum at x is equal to 7 by 9. Let us see the options. According to option, x is equal to 7 by 9 he given as a point of maximum. So first option is wrong. We got it is minimum. So first option is wrong. X is equal to 3 is point of minimum. At x is equal to 3 we got this one as 0. Which one? F double dash 0. F double dash x became 0 at x is equal to 3. So we cannot decide whether it is min or max. Next, x at x is equal to minus 1 is also we cannot decide. But given option, in some books, students, in some books you get the value that it is the fourth option. It has f of x has no extrema and no minimum. No extremum he given. Now let us discuss about sixth question. He given the option 3, x equal to minus 1 is a point of maximum. Let us verify using first derivative test. Let us verify the value using first derivative test. So what is the value first derivative test? Just we discussed regarding first derivative test in this concept. Let x is equal to minus first derivative test. Let I am writing. Let x is equal to 3 I am writing here. Let x, whatever the value critical points we got 3. Okay. X is equal to 3 we got. F dash x I am writing here. F dash x is this one, x plus 1 into f dash x I am writing. F dash x is equal to x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 4 into 9x minus 7. Now let h is equal to 0.1. Here I am writing a minus h comma a plus h. A minus h comma a plus h is 2.9 comma 3.1. Now f dash of this one a minus h comma h, a minus h comma a, we will verify f dash of a minus h comma a, the symbol, what is the value of the symbol changes, whether positive to negative or negative to positive. Let us discuss about the symbols. So f of a already we know f dash of a becomes 0. Here I am writing f dash of 3 becomes 0. This is we know that. Now let us discuss about a minus h. F dash of a minus h is equal to f dash of 2.9. 2.9 plus 1 whole cube becomes positive. This is positive. 9 into 2.9, this is positive. So 2.9, we know that positive greater than 0. Substitute the value, students, here 2.9 plus 1 is positive, positive whole cube, positive 2.9 minus 3. It negative, even though it is negative, power 4 is there, then you can say it is positive. 9 into 2.9 minus 7, it is positive. So now let us discuss about the value. Previously we had written f dash a minus h comma a, it is positive. Now let us discuss about f dash of a plus h. So I am writing here f dash of 3.1. 3.1 plus 3 is positive, 3.1 minus 3 is positive, this is also positive. So there is no change. There is no change which it is neither minimum nor maximum. At x is equal to 3 I am writing. At x is equal to 3, first derivative test, there is no change. If there is no change, at x equal to 3, f of x is neither min nor max. Neither minimum nor maximum. Neither min nor max. So let us discuss about the critical points. X is equal to minus 1. So second option verified, students, unnecessarily. X is equal to minus 1. So let us verify third option. Let I am writing. Let x is equal to minus 1. Now we know that f dash of minus 1 is equal to 0. Let h I am writing as 0.1. It is just positive, just neighborhood. Then you can write a minus h. So the points I am writing f dash of a minus h is equal to f dash of minus 1.1. Minus 1 minus 0.1. Minus 1.1 substitute here. Minus 1.1 plus 1 becomes minus 0.1 whole cube, always it is negative. So write here. Because minus 0.1 negative. Negative into this is of course power 4 is there, positive, this is positive. So negative you write. Negative. Next f dash of a plus h I am writing. F dash of a plus h means f dash of 0.9. Minus 1, that too minus 0.9. Minus 0.9. So if you substitute minus 0.9 here, 1 minus 0.9 positive, this is of course power 4 positive, this is minus 0.9 minus 7. So minus 0.9 minus 7, negative, negative into negative, positive. Okay students, here changed the sign negative to positive. If first derivative changes negative to positive, first derivative changes negative to positive, what we discussed previously in page number 172, we discussed that if first derivative test changes negative to positive, it is maxima. So here third option verified. In page number 172, once again I am discussing, if the value changes from negative to positive, it is local minimum. Local minimum. So x is equal to minus 1 is the point of minimum is there. The value positive to negative is local maximum, and the value local minimum if the f dash x changes from negative to positive. Local minimum. So x is equal to minus 1 is, here I am writing. X is equal to minus 1 is point of local minimum. Point of local minimum. According to options here, f of x is equal to minus 1 is a point of maximum he given. Once again students, you verify the question. Whether you may get the wrong, simply leave the question, because these first derivative tests just simply for learning. You cannot face such first derivative tests in any exam. Okay. Now let us discuss about 8th question. That also the same model only. Later I will say 7th question. Let us discuss in the similar way 8th question. F of x equal to x minus 2 into x power n he given. F of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square to x power n. N belongs to natural number he given. 8th one. X minus 2 whole square into x power n. N belongs to natural number. Let us discuss about the f dash x. F dash x is equal to, this is UV method, x minus 2 whole square into n into x power n minus 1 plus here x power n into 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies here you can take common x power n minus 1. X power n minus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 2 taken common here. Whenever you take x power n minus 1 here n and x minus 2. So nx minus 2n you write. Nx minus 2n plus x power n minus 1 taken common plus x will be there. So 2x you can write here is equal to 0. Critical points I am writing here. Critical points. Critical points x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 here. Nx, x taken common, n plus 2 is equal to 2. X taken common, x into n plus 2 is equal to 2n. Then you can write here x is equal to 2n by n plus 2. This is a value. Now if we discuss about second derivative, uv w dash becomes maybe point of he is asking maximum, minimum, it even like that. Regarding using the first derivative test, let us discuss about options. So maximum at x is equal to 2. So anyhow, we'll calculate second derivative. Here I am writing f dash x. F dash x is equal to x power n minus 1 into x minus 2 into n plus 2 into x. N plus 2 into x minus 2n. Now f double dash x I am writing. F double dash x using uv w dash. N minus 1 into x power n minus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 into full this one. N plus 2 into x minus 2n. This is a bracket. Plus this is first function derivative completed. Let us discuss about second function derivative. X power n minus 1 into 1 into n plus 2 into x. N plus 2 into x minus 2n. Plus third function derivative I am writing here x power n minus 1 into x minus 2 into n plus 2 simply. Here n plus 2. If you write here, now let us discuss about the critical points in f double dash x. If put x is equal to 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So at x is equal to 0, f double dash x 0, put x is equal to 2, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. This will not become. Okay, at x is f double dash of 2 I am writing. F double dash of 2. This becomes 0 because this is x minus 2. This is x minus 2. This is 0 and this is 0. If we substitute now, here we can write here 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 into n plus 2 into 2. N plus 2 into 2 I am writing. So 2n plus 4. 2n plus 4 minus 2n. 2n will get cancelled. So 4 into 2 power n minus 1 you can write. So 4 you can write 2 square. So 2 power n plus 1 we can write here. F double dash of 2. Here he given the value n belongs to capital N. Whenever n belongs to capital N, natural number is there, always it is positive. So f double dash of 2 greater than 0, yet I am writing n belongs to capital N. So for any natural number it is minimum. Minimum he given students. Minimum value only fourth option is there. But regarding options, let us discuss. Minimum at x equal to 2 if n is even only, that is the second option. And a minimum at x equal to 0 if n is even, and a minimum at x equal to for all n belongs to, correct. For all n belongs to this one we got. So fourth option verified, simply no need for derivative test. Option 4 verified. Verified. N any number because we got 2 power n plus 1 like that. Sir, if we need the x is equal to 0, sir, minimum at x equal to 0. If n is even, x is equal to 0, if you need, you can calculate the first derivative test. First derivative test, yet x equal to 0, simply I am writing and I am giving a hint, you do homework. Let x is equal to, let h I am writing here. Let h is equal to 0.1. A minus h is equal to 0 minus 0, this is 0.1 students. Minus 0.1 and a plus h is equal to 0.1. You substitute the value in f dash x, this one. You substitute the value f dash x and you calculate regarding the value he given. If n is even, put n is equal to 2 and verify the option, you will be getting fourth option. Otherwise simply leave it. Now let us discuss about 7th question. Maximum number of sums always depends upon second derivative test to whether decides the function is min or max. Well, to decide the function is min or max, you should calculate f dash x is equal to 0. But if f double dash x greater than 0, then it is min, and if double dash x less than 0, then it is max. 100% f double dash x you should consider. In some cases, trigonometric and algebraic and exponential trigonometric cases only f triple dash x, f fourth dash x will be we may get calculate. In JEE advanced are there, such model only one question we have faced in level 1 homework already I said previously. Now there is no need, and don't worry about the second derivative test or first derivative test. Simply, if you could not understand 6 question, practice once, otherwise simply leave it. No question you will not face in any exam. Next, let us discuss about 7th one. This is also different sum. The function f of x is equal. The function f of x is equal to minus 2 to x. Minus 2 to x t into e power t minus 1 into t minus 1 into t minus 2 whole cube into t minus 3 whole power 5 dt has a local minimum at x is equal to dash. Diff both sides I am writing. Differentiating both sides. Differentiating both sides using Leibniz theorem. Already I said Leibniz theorem. Differentiating both sides using Leibniz theorem. Leibniz theorem is integral f of x to phi of x integral. This is f of x, phi of x to psi of x, f of x dx is equal to f of phi of x into d by dx of phi of x minus f of psi of x into d by dx of psi of x. So this, whatever the value upper limit is there, simply substitute the value and calculate the derivative of upper limit. Derivative of x is 1, so no need to calculate, simply 1 you can write. Instead of t you can substitute the value x. Later minus, substitute the value 2 here and calculate the derivative of 2. What is the derivative of 2? It is 0, so no need to write that one. That is why simply I am saying that substitute x instead of t, that's all. So x into e power x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole cube into x minus 3 whole power 5, that's all. You can put here equal to 0 because whenever you are calculating min or max, f dash x is equal to 0, you should do. The function is local minimum, he said. According to Leibniz theorem, we got here this value. First derivative only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. So calculation of second derivative is much horrible. Let us using Wavy curve. Let us discuss using Wavy curve. I am writing here critical points. Critical points. Critical points, first this is 0. Of course e power 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This is also 0. No need to write 0. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's all. These are critical points. Okay. Let us discuss about the characteristic of the graph using Wavy curve. Let us write the critical points here. Here this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. You substitute the value here 4, I mean more than 3. 4 is because 4 positive, of course everything positive. So other than above 3 it is positive. Between 2 and 3, whenever you are using Wavy curve, it will be getting alternate positions. If you are having any doubt, you can check it. 2 minus 2.5, 2.5 minus 3 minus 0.5 whole power odd number is negative. So total value negative. Next, this is 1.5 positive. Because 1.5 minus 2, this is negative and negative becomes positive, like that. Next position negative. So the graph may be here, this is the positive position. Positive to negative like this. The graph will be negative like this. Positive to negative like this. This is positive side, this is negative side, like this. Like this you may get. So wherever the graph is going upwards it is max, wherever the graph is going minimum, downwards it is min. Like that if you decide the value, wherever the graph is changing or turning, graph is changing or turning, the point already we said point of inflection. Of course we have discussed about the f double dash x. In the same way, using Wavy curve and Leibniz theorem, we can say that the point wherever the graph is turns, there this is max. Here I have written, this is max, this is min, like that. This is min. So according to option, whatever the options given, local minimum at, this is 2, not minimum. Where it is going down at 3. 3 is the turn. That's all. and this is going up, don't write 2. This is going down, 1 you can write. This is going down, but wherever the curve is going down, this is min. But according to option 3, 1 he did not give. Therefore, local min yet he asked. Local minimum yet x is equal to 3, you can write using wavy curve and Leibniz theorem. Let us discuss about 9th question. If the function f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 into x cube plus 3, the function x cube plus 3 into x square into a minus 7 plus 3 into a square minus 9 into x minus 1 has a positive point of maximum. Here you can underline this point as a positive. This is positive point of maximum. Positive point of maximum, then what is the value? This is a cubic curve. This is a cubic function. Now let us discuss about f dash x to calculate the function whether it is minimum or maximum. So f dash x I am writing here. F dash x is equal to 3x square. 3x square plus 6x into a minus 7 plus 3 into a square minus 9 is equal to 0 I am writing. Whenever the curve, the cubic polynomial has a positive point of maximum, we can understand that a cubic polynomial having 3 roots. Regarding the cubic polynomial, if you calculate f dash x, it becomes a quadratic equation, second degree polynomial. Next, if you do third degree, for second derivative, you get the value only one monomial, single degree polynomial. Wherever you calculate the value, he is asking about positive point of maximum. So, you should get the positive point of maximum means here the roots should be real and distinct. That's all. If whatever negatives are, there is no rule of he given positive negative point of maximum also roots are imaginary. Simply the formula is if the positive point of maximum condition is there, roots should be greater than or equal to 0. Whatever the roots should be real and distinct. So discriminant should be condition I am writing. This description. What is value? Discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. So discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Here I am writing 36 into a minus 7 whole square. 36 into a minus 7 whole square minus 4 to the 12 to the 36. 36 into a square minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Divide with 36. You can write here a square minus 14a plus 49 minus a square plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. A square and a square getting cancelled. Here 49 plus 9 80, 58. So you can write 14a minus 58 less than 0. A less than 29 by 7. A less than 29 by 7 is a point. And next one f dash x according to domain. So 3 options. 2 options are there, students. Find f dash x already we have calculated. A belongs to here 3 comma 29 by 7 is there and minus infinity comma 29 by 7 is there. So let us if we discuss about second derivative, f dash x we got, discriminant we have got. Next let us discuss positive. Okay, since f of x has a point of positive point of maximum, sum of roots also I am writing. Sum of roots is equal to positive. Sum of roots formula minus b by a. So a minus 7 by 3. So 6 into a minus 7 by 3 greater than 0, that to minus. minus a by b. Minus taken that side, a minus 7 less than 0, it becomes a less than 7. According to option, a less than 7 is there. Common domain we should calculate. Let us discuss about this one. A less than 7 also we got. Here a less than 29 by 7 also we got. Common domain is this one. Sum of the roots greater than 0 we have calculated and f dash 0 calculated. Next, let us discuss about the function set. If we calculate second derivative, okay, let us discuss second derivative. F double dash x. F double dash x is equal to 6x plus 6 into a minus 3. This is maximum less than 0. 6x plus 6 into a minus 7, with 6 we have divided x plus a minus 7 less than 0. So we can write x the root according to a only we should write. According to x or according to a. He is discussing about the characteristic of a only. Just let us see the option, ninth question. Second option he given 3. We are not getting 3 here. A minus 7 into 3 we can write. Of course we should not write like this. Just let us discuss. 3x square plus 6x into a minus 7 plus 3 into a square minus 9. Discriminant greater than 0. And let us discuss about root also. This is okay, students. Of course, using f double dash x we did not get. If we write f dash 0, f dash 0 greater than 0, I am writing. F of x is a point of maximum, he given. Positive point of maximum is there, no? That is why if we substitute f dash 0 also, the point of maximum, it should be greater than 0. If we substitute 0, then what is the value? F dash of 0 greater than 0. Here you can substitute f dash of 0, then 3 into a square minus 9. 3 into a square minus 9 greater than 0. So here you can write a plus 3 into a minus 3 greater than 0. So a does not belongs to, I am writing closed interval minus 3 comma 3. Therefore a belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3 union 3 comma infinity. Because this formula we are using positive point of maximum. That is why we are discussing for everything positive. Positive means greater than 0. That is why I have substituted this one also. F dash 0 also should be greater than 0 and discriminant greater than 0. With discriminant we did not get the proper answer. And this one also positive root we have discussed about. Of course no need. If you cannot do also no problem. This is important. Minus infinity comma 3 and 3 comma infinity. Let this is a first one I am writing here. This is the first one and this is the second one. I am writing here common domain. Common domain. Common domain of Roman number 1 comma Roman number 2 is equal to, here minus infinity comma minus 3, negative side you can write. Minus infinity comma minus 3 union, here until infinity is there but 29 by 7 stopped there. So you can write 3 comma 29 by 7. That's all here second option. Better to strike off this one, no need to write. If you write also, no problem, because 29 by 7, 7 is much greater than 29 by 7. Because 29 by 7 is 4 point something and 7 is greater than 4. So no need to write. If you calculate common domain also, this is no need. Next, let us discuss about 10th question. 10th question also different question. F of x is equal to mod x. He given the condition 0 less than mod x less than or equal to 2. 0 less than mod x less than or equal to 2. 10th question. F of x is equal to. F of x is equal to mod x under the condition 0 less than mod x less than or equal to 2 be given. And 1 given as x is equal to 0. Let us discuss the graph. Here this meaning 0, you should take 0, 1, 2 also. Between 0, 1 and 2 you can draw the graph of modulus x. This is 0. So no need to write positive, students. 0. This is 1, this is 2. But at 1 he given as 0. Let us write y-axis. This is y-axis. 0. What is the value of 0 of modulus? Originally, write here 1 and here 2, students. Write here 1 and 2. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. The value of 1, according to this one, 1 should be there. According to 2, 2 should be there. According to 0, 0 should be there, but here 1 he given. Here at the value of 0 he defined as 1 and this is 1. This one, students, you should recognize as, according to statistics it is a mode. According to statistics it is a mode. So what is meant by mode? What is the greatest value in one group data, ungrouped data, two data are there. For group data, what is the maximum value? That is the mode. For ungrouped data, whatever the value repeats, it is called as mode. So here 1 is repeating, so 1 is maximum value. We can say that 1 has, the f of x has local maximum at 1 simply. This is an ungrouped data. How many times it repeated? But for 1 we got 1 and for 0 also we got 1. We can say that it has, f of x has local maximum at x is equal to 1. F of x has, I am writing. F of x has a local maximum. F of x has a local maximum at x is equal to 1 or x equal to 1 simply. Of course at x equal to 0 the value 1. Simply the local maximum is 1 we can write. X is equal to 0 comma 1, it is 1. The value is 1. Next, let us discuss about 11th question. Depends upon integration and depends upon domain. 0 comma 5 pi by 2 he given. For x belongs to 0 comma 5 pi by 2, he defined that f of x is equal to integral 0 to x root t sin t dt. So many times we have discussed regarding Leibniz theorem. So let us write here f dash x using Leibniz theorem. I am not writing f dash x is equal to, simply I am writing root x into sin x is equal to 0. Divide by root x sin x equal to 0. Whenever sin x is equal to 0, we know that x is equal to n pi. Whenever x is equal to n pi, according to options we can write it. Let us, next step I am writing f double dash x is equal to this one, root x cos x. F double dash x is equal to root x cos x plus cos x by 2 root x. Cos x by 2 root x. Now, according to option, he given pi and 2 pi. Let us discuss about f double dash of pi. You know that, students, cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1 and this is positive. So it is minus. And cos pi is again minus 1 by 2 root pi. So it is negative. So where it is at pi, x is equal to, f of x is equal to, f of x is, whenever x, f double dash x less than 0, it is max. F of x is equal to local max, yet x is equal to pi. Next, let us discuss about x is equal to 2 pi. F double dash of 2 pi I am writing. We know that cos 2 pi is 1 and this is root 2 pi positive, root pi plus 1 by 2 root pi. This is positive. So, if it is positive, f of x is, otherwise has, f of x is local minimum at x is equal to 2 pi. That's all. In 2 times he given AAA, I know that. In 2011 he given and 2014 also given. Local minimum 2 pi and local maximum 8 pi. Yes, we got. Next, let us discuss about 12th question. 12th one. The difference between the greatest and least value of f of x is equal to integral 0 to x t plus 1. Integral 0 to x t plus 1. 12th one. The difference between the greatest and least value of f of x is equal to, if given data, f of x is equal to integral 0 to x t plus 1 dt on closed interval 2 comma 3, on closed interval 2 comma 3. The difference between the greatest and least values. Well, let us discuss about f dash x condition. F dash x, using Leibniz theorem, students, I am writing x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. No use, because minus 1 not belongs to 2 comma 3. If the function is differentiable, if the function is continuous, then differentiable, then its derivative exists. Whenever the derivative exists, then only antiderivative of integration should be exist. Here integration given, so integration exists. But according to Rolle's theorem, this is not right. So minus 1 should not be there. So using integration, using the derivative is not possible. Whatever the using given value should consider. This is not belongs to. Now, to find out, I am writing. To find out difference between min and max value. 0 is the lower limit and 3 is the upper limit, you write here. T plus 1 dt minus 0 2 you can write t plus 1 dt. Using the integration x square by 2. So t plus 1 whole square by 2 here within the limits 0 to 3 minus of t plus 1 whole square by 2. T plus 1 whole square by 2 within the limits 0 to 2 here. Upper limit here 3 plus 1 4 whole square 16 by 2 8 minus 2 plus 1 whole square 9 by 2. 2 8 is 16 minus 9 7 by 2. Until now we have completed general questions. Now we enter into word problems, which is called as complete applications of differentiation, complete applications of maxima and minima. We enter into word problems. 13th question. This was an important IP question. 200. There he given 200 square feet. The shape of the rectangle. A window is in the shape of rectangle surmounted by semicircle. If the perimeter of window is fixed length L, then maximum area of the window. If you know the answer properly, 200 by pi plus 4 square feet, there is the answer. Using that one, you can use this one also. Of course, I will say the proof of method also. A window is in the shape of rectangle surmounted by semicircle. A window is in the shape of rectangle surmounted by semicircle. Students, in MCET questions, IP questions, minimum 10 IP questions will be given, which are most important 7 mark questions only. You should remember the answer. I don't say that please by heart, but you should remember the answer that I will say what is important, what is not important. Whatever important are there in MCET questions, 100% you should remember the answer. This is the best example. 200 into pi plus 4 square feet and 4L by pi plus 4 and 4L pi L by pi plus 4 is there, and root 2R is there. Total 4 sums are there, and the x centimeters cut off and bent into a open rectangular box. What is the cut part? X is equal to 20 by 3. Total 4 sums are there. Simply I said. Like that you could say. Now this is a window is in the shape of surmounted, is in the shape of rectangle surmounted by semicircle. Let us draw the diagram. This is the semicircle shape. Let the length, this is 2x. Put the names A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. This is not there. This is a semicircle simply. Semicircle. A window is in the shape of rectangle surmounted by semicircle. If the perimeter of window of fixed length L, here he given L, there he given 20 feet. Then the maximum area of window, area we should calculate. 2x, let this is y. So length I am writing, length of rectangle is 2x and breadth is y, and this is a semicircle. This is semicircle. If it is center, we know that from center to any point on the circle is called as radius. This is x. So I mean this is x, this is x. Of course this is not there. Simply the semicircle shape. So this is x. X is the radius. Let the name is O and this name is P. A window is in the shape of surmounted semicircle. If the perimeter of window, total perimeter he given. 2x description I am not writing students here because this is not IPE. So length 2x, breadth y like this. Perimeter of window I am writing. Perimeter. Perimeter of window. Let the letter he given I think L. Perimeter of window in the shape of, if the perimeter of window of fixed length L, perimeter of window he given L. Window is in the shape of a rectangle and semicircle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and the perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus L r, L into r plus pi. So, but just wait. Perimeter of semicircle is not pi r, students. Pi r plus L r. Just let us write this one. This is perimeter of. We should not use the letter perimeter in the circle. Circumference we should use. Here this is total perimeter is 2 pi r. This circle divided to 2 equal parts. So total this is pi r and this is r plus r. So 2r plus pi r. 2r plus pi r is the perimeter or circumference of semicircle. But here according to our question this is not there. That is why r plus r you should not write. I mean x plus x you should not write. That is why I indicated with the dotted symbols. So only pi x you should write. Some students and some staff also used to think like that. Perimeter of course perimeter of circle is 2 pi r and perimeter of semicircle is pi r. It is absolutely wrong. Perimeter of semicircle is 2r plus pi r. Here 2r is not there, so don't write this one. So now I am going to discuss with you perimeter of window is this plus this plus this plus pi x. Okay. L is equal to perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of semicircle without this radius. 2x plus L is equal to 2x plus y plus pi x simply. That implies L is equal to 2x plus 2y plus pi x. So I am writing now 2y is equal to L minus 2x minus pi x. Now he is discussing about area. Area is equal to area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. Area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. Area means place the occupied region of a closed geometrical diagram. So area should be pi r square by 2. Area of rectangle plus area of semicircle I am writing. Area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. Here area capital A I am indicating with the letter capital A. Capital A is equal to area of rectangle. You know that length into breadth. So 2x into y. So 2y into x I am writing for our convenience plus pi x square by 2 because pi r square by 2 here x I thought this one regarding this one. Pi x square by 2. So A is equal to what is 2y students? 2y we had written here L minus 2x. L minus 2x minus pi x into x. L minus 2x minus pi x into x plus pi x square by 2. Area next step we can write here Lx minus 2x square minus pi x square plus pi x square by 2 minus pi x square plus pi x square by 2. Next step that implies A is equal to Lx minus 2x square minus pi x square by 2. Lx minus 2x square minus pi x square by 2. To calculate the area is minimum or maximum, dA by dx is equal to 0. So L minus 4x minus pi x, 2 get cancelled. 2 pi x and 2 get cancelled. You can write here L is equal to x into pi plus 4. So x is equal to L by pi plus 4. Using this one, he is asking area. He is asking the area, maximum area he is asking. You substitute in 1. From 1 I am writing. You substitute the value x in 1. L into, right here, L into L by pi plus 4 minus 4 into L by pi plus 4 minus, here students, not 4, 2x square. So L by pi plus 4 whole square, 2x square. L into L by pi plus 4 minus 2 into L by pi plus 4 whole square minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 into L by pi plus 4 whole square. Whatever the value we can get, that is the answer. I think we can take LCM here, 2 into pi plus 4 whole square total. 2 into pi plus 4 whole square. Here 2 pi plus 4 is there and 2 into 2L square. Students, we can take L square common. L square common. Then we can write here 2 into pi plus 4. 2 into pi plus 4. This is 4. 2 into pi plus 4 minus pi plus 4 whole square have taken common. Then you can write L square also taken common. 2 to the 4 you can write simply. Minus pi x square. Simply pi. That is equal to L square into, this is 2 pi plus 8 minus 4 minus pi. So you can write here pi plus 4. Pi plus 4 by 2 into pi plus 4 whole square. Pi plus 4 getting cancelled. L square by 2 pi plus 8 you can write. We will get the answer in IP question 200 by pi plus 4 in the same way. L square by 2 into pi plus 4. Maybe you substitute the value 20 here. You may, yes, exactly. 2 into here, there it is 20. 20 whole square, 400 into 2 get cancelled. 200 by pi plus 4 is the correct answer. This is the process and that is the sum. Here we got L square by 2 pi plus 8, third option. Next let us discuss about 14th question. 14th one. 15th question in 2015 AAA, of course mains in 2015 mains given. Such types of questions are important. You should know the formula and process also. 14th question. A running track 440 feet is to be laid out enclosing football field, the shape of which a rectangle by semicircle. At each end rectangle by semicircle. If the area of rectangular positions is to be maximum, only for rectangular position he is given. Maximum, then the dimension of rectangle only he is asking. Football court place according to condition. This is the condition. Let us discuss about length 2x. A running track 440 feet is given to be laid out enclosing football field in the shape of which a rectangle with semicircle at each end. If the area of rectangular portion is to be maximum, then dimensions of that this is, of course, indicated with the dotted lines. Let this is y. Same in the previous model, students. This is y. This is not a closed, students. If closed, you cannot play the football. Y, so only y is there. So if you need perimeter of this one, pi y. This is pi y and this is pi y, 2 pi y, this is 2x plus 2x. That's all, that only we need. Perimeter given, running track total 440, he given the condition. So this is 2x, 2x, pi y, pi y. That's all. Condition I am writing. condition is perimeter. Total perimeter of football court is equal to length, I thought 2x. So 2x plus 2x plus this is pi y plus pi y. Y is the radius, I thought. 440 is equal to. In next step I am writing 440 is equal to 4x plus 2 pi y. With 2 you can divide it. 220. 220 equal to 2x plus pi y. Next step. Pi y is equal to, otherwise y equal to 220 minus 2x. Let us write y is equal to 220 minus 2x by pi. So what we should calculate? Area of rectangular positions. Only area of rectangular position. Area I am writing. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle position is, so here if you think only position, this is y, this is y. So it is 2y. So 2x into 2y. Length into breadth, because this is radius. 2x into 2y. Let us write here a. Only for rectangular position is discussing. 4xy. So 2x into 4x into y, instead of y I am writing 220. 220 minus 2x by pi. So 4 by pi into a is equal to 4 by pi into 220x minus 2x square. To calculate the area is min or max, dA by dx. dA by dx is equal to 4 by pi into 220 minus 4x equal to 0. So 4x is equal to 220. 4x is equal to 220. 4x is equal to 220. Then x is equal to 55. 2x is equal to 110. 2x one length we got. Length of rectangle we got 110. How many options are there? 2 options. And let us discuss about breadth. Y. Let it be first equation. I am writing here from 1. Y is equal to, substitute the value 2x here. So 220 minus 110 by pi. Regarding given the condition in the numbers only given, not in pi. So let us write here the value 22 by 7. 210 minus 110 becomes 110, and this is 7 by 22. This is 5. So 5, y is equal to, we got 5 from the 35. We no need y students, because this is 2y, this is y and this is y. So 2y I am writing here, 2y is equal to 70. So measurements, whatever the measurements of rectangle, measurements equal to 110, 70. These are the applications of maximum minimum sums. Next, 15th question. Let us discuss about 15th question. A wire length. Students, this question already you faced in IP question. Turn and saying the answer also pi l by pi plus 4 and 4l by pi plus 4 are the lengths of pieces. These are last 4 sums of the total applications of differentiation chapter. And end of the chapter also. 50. In IP you faced the question, there it was length L. But there he may ask the lengths of pieces, but now he is asking about least value of the sum of areas. Okay, I will say now. A wire of length A, this is, let the wire length A, this is wire. A wire of length A, cut into 2 parts which are bent into form of a square. Let this is a square having side x and a circle having radius r. The length, whatever the wire is there, using that wire, whatever the wire is there, using that wire, if it is a wire, this wire should be bent in the shape of a square and a circle. So this wire should be cut, don't cut it, simply whatever the wire length is there, they are divided as 2 parts, and why, of course, not at all, there is no decrement in length of wire. Whatever the wire length he given, that wire only melted into 2 separate parts as a square and circle. So A is equal to Whatever the length is there, that one cut into two parts. Built into two parts, they have the square and circle. A is equal to, you can write here 4x because perimeter of square, and 2 pi r. Circle, circumference of circle. You should not use the word perimeter. Circumference of circle. Now I am writing here r is equal to a minus 4x by 2 pi. R is equal to a minus 4x by 2 pi. Now he is asking the least value of the sum of the areas. Least value of the sum of the areas. Whatever the sum of areas he given, sum of areas S is equal to least value of sum of areas. Sum of areas I am writing here x square plus pi r square. X square plus pi r square. So S is equal to sum of areas I am writing x square plus pi into, you can write here a minus 4x by 2 pi whole square. A minus 4x by 2 pi whole square. Now S is equal to x square plus, you can write here a square minus, this is 8ax plus 16x square whole by 4 pi. Whole by 4 pi. Let us discuss about the min or max concept. If the area is min or max, then we can write ds by dx is equal to 2x plus, don't write a square derivative. Here I am writing 32x, 16x square derivative minus 8a whole by 4 pi is equal to 0. Now this is 8 pi x, 8 pi x, 8 pi x plus 32x. 8 pi x plus 32x minus 8a equal to 0. Sum of areas is asking. Let it be first equation. 8 pi x plus 32x is equal to 8 pi divided by 8. Then it becomes pi x plus 4x is equal to a. So x taken common, pi plus 4 is equal to a. In the IPE model we are getting the answer a by pi plus 4. X is equal to. If he is asking about the lengths of pieces, 4x is a piece and 4x is equal to 4a by pi plus 4. There we got 4l by pi plus 4. X is equal to a by pi plus 4. Sub in 1 we get the value. Sub in 1. So S is equal to, now we can write a, instead of x you can write a square by pi plus 4 whole square plus a square. I am taking common, students, 1 by 4 pi. 1 by 4 pi taken common. 1 by 4 pi taken common. Now we can write here a square. A square minus 8a into a by pi plus 4. 8a into a by pi plus 4 plus 16 into a square by pi plus 4 whole square. That is equal to a square by pi plus 4 whole square. A square by pi plus 4 whole square plus 1 by 4 pi. 1 by 4 pi into, take an LCM here, a square into pi plus 4 whole square minus 8a square. Minus 8a square into pi plus 4 minus 16a square plus 16a square whole by pi plus 4 whole square. Whole by pi plus 4 whole square. A square by pi plus 4 whole square is there. So take an LCM, the value a square, this is pi plus 4 whole square. A square total common we have, we can a square by pi plus 4 whole square. A square by pi plus 4 whole square. Here also a square by pi plus 4 whole square. A square by pi plus 4 whole square. So pi plus 4 whole square minus pi plus 4. Total a square I have taken common. You can write pi square plus 16 plus 8 pi minus 8 pi minus 32 plus 16. So So 32 minus 32 get cancelled, 8 pi also get cancelled. Here 4 pi is there. I am writing properly here, 4 pi into pi plus 4 whole square. Here pi square, this pi will be getting cancelled in pi square. A square by pi plus 4 whole square taken from a square by pi plus 4 whole square plus a square pi we got here. A square pi by 4 into pi plus 4 whole square. If you take common once again, a square by pi plus 4 whole square. You can take common as 1 plus a square by pi plus 4 is there, x square, okay. A square by pi plus 4 you can take common 1 plus pi by, 1 plus pi by 4. Next step, a square into, you can write here, pi plus 4 by 4 into pi plus 4 whole square. Pi plus 4 got cancelled. At last we got the value, students, a square by 4 into pi plus 4. A square by 4 into pi plus 4 is the answer we got as fourth option. Okay, let us continue in next class.